Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bhana's World. In this video, I will show you how to make very easy and delicious choco Mysore pak at home. It's very easy and you need only 3 ingredients for this. It's very tasty that everybody would love this. The ingredients are cocoa powder, butter and powdered sugar. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Bhana's World. Come on friends, let's get started. For this, you have to use the double boiler method. So I'm taking a vessel and have water in it. Now you have to take a mixing bowl and keep it up of the vessel. Make sure that your mixing bowl is heat resistant. The first ingredient is butter. You have to take 100 gram and you have to keep the gas at low flame. Keep stirring it so that the butter gets melted. Now you can turn off the flame and you have to again keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. For this you have to use only spatula. Please don't use whisk. Then you have to add half cup of powdered sugar. Then mix it a little bit, and now you have to add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and now you have to keep stirring it well with the help of a spatula like this. And you can see that the consistency is now liquid. See, it should be like this. You have to keep stirring it, and again you have to add powdered sugar 1 cup, and again you have to mix it well. You have to mix it gently and stir it like this. And guys, when you mix it well, you can see that it now the consistency becomes thick, right? It should be like that only. You have to again mix it well. You have to keep stirring it well like this. See, it should be like this. It becomes thick like this, but also again you have to keep stirring it well with the spatula. See, it becomes solid too. It should be like this. You have to keep stirring it well. See, you can see in my spatula, it should be like this only. Keep stirring it well. It will be like this. You have to keep stirring it. You can see that it becomes very thick, right? It should be like that only, like this. Then you have to mix it gently with the mix, fold and cut method, like this. Then you have to keep stirring it well. Then you can take your mixing bowl out of the utensil, and with the help of whisk you have to whisk it well, like this. See, it should be like this. Whisk it well. For this you have to use a whisk, and our mixture is ready. Now you have to take a ice tray and you have to pour the mixture in it. And if you want, you can also use some design mold or even chocolate mold. That's your wish. Then you can add some dry fruits, and that's optional. I'm using cashew nuts and raisins for this. It'll be so nice. And guys, please try this at your home too. Now you have to freeze the mixture for 2 to 3 hours in freezer. And after 2 to 3 hours, yes, your Choco Mysore Pak is ready. Wow, that's so delicious. Let me taste it. Wow, that's really so tasty. Please try this at your home too, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.